then hotpot. Anong klaseng hotpot gusto mo?
Why baby? Nakasimangot ikaw. Renzo, thank you for the treat for Papa. Para sa'yo, Papa? Saan napunta si Papa? Abby. Ayan. Panghe. Wala yung birthday boy.
Hey, sino yung saan tumulong sa atin? Which one do you recommend for this week?
Maybe for me, I like the first one.
Maybe we'll get the third one. That's not a spicy, right?
It's a bit spicy.
Oh, okay. Which one is not spicy?
Wow, I like it, baby. Nice one. Make more.
Number 2. Can you make this not spicy?
I can ask. You want me to come back after I ask?
Okay, yeah.
Oh no!
Here comes the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Papa.
Wait lang, hinihintay ko lang.
Pailapit ko lang.
Kasi baka hindi makakain ng hotpot. Gusto ba nila ng hotpot? Sila? Kasi puro gusto ko kunin namin yung intestine.
Ilang taon ka na?
Singa? O yung 35? Yung hamon sausage.
Sabi, 35 daw si Papa.
Ang galing yung...
So you want to do the third one? That's spicy.
Okay, sorry, we changed our mind. We'll get the F2.